From their genius strategies for survival to their profound impact on human history, viruses are so much more than just the culprits behind the common cold. Imagine a single virus can hijack a host body, can replicate itself and potentially trigger and influence the course of life. This, my friends, is the edge of existence and non-existence, the line between living and non-living. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore the world of viruses, a journey that will challenge our understanding of what it means to be alive. To understand why viruses are considered as non-living, let's begin by defining what exactly viruses are. Viruses are microscopic agents that can cause various diseases, but these agents are apart from other microbes because they do not complete the criteria of living beings. Living organisms exhibit certain key characters. They can grow, they can reproduce, they respond to the stimulus, and they can maintain homeostasis and have capacity for metabolism. These characteristics are what define life as we know it. But the viruses, on the other hand, lack these fundamental characteristics. They consist of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by the protein coat. However, they cannot carry out metabolic processes, they cannot reproduce on their own or perform any of the functions of living organisms. But the viruses are not entirely non-living. They lie between the line of living and non-living. Viruses are essentially parasites. They cannot replicate without hijacking the cellular machinery of a host. They are entirely dependent on their host body. They are completely non-living outside the body of host. While the viruses are not considered living, but they had a profound impact on the evolution of life on Earth, they have played a role in the transfer of genetic material between the species, influencing the development of various organisms. So now you know why viruses are considered non-living entities, because they lack fundamental characters that define life, relying entirely on the host body for replication and metabolic processes. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel